Managing compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, and Service Organization Control 2, SOC2, is a critical concern for AWS users. A quick reminder, I am your legendary host, John, the Compliance Wizard Doe, and I am part of the Silent Security team. If you would like to learn more about me, find me at silentsecurity.net. Now, without further delay, on to the show. AWS provides various tools and services to assist in this effort. Here's how users can leverage AWS to stay compliant with these regulations. Compliance with GDPR. Data protection and privacy with GDPR requires strict data protection and privacy controls. AWS users must ensure that personal data is processed and stored securely. Some AWS tools and services to help you achieve this include Amazon Macie. This service helps in identifying and protecting personal data stored in AWS. AWS Key Management Service, KMS, encrypts data at rest, ensuring data protection. AWS Data Privacy provides GDPR-related information and best practices for AWS customers. From a strategic perspective, implementing data encryption, access control, and regular audits. It's also crucial to have a clear data processing agreement with AWS, defining roles and responsibilities. Compliance with HIPAA. Protecting health information with HIPAA requires the protection of sensitive patient health information. AWS users in the healthcare sector must ensure compliance to safeguard this data. Some AWS tools and services to help you achieve this include AWS Artifact. This service provides on-demand access to AWS's compliance documentation, helping users understand AWS's HIPAA eligibility. Amazon S3 and EBS. With proper configuration, these services can be used to store protected health information, PHI, securely. From a strategic perspective, ensuring encryption in transit and at rest, conducting risk assessments, and implementing strong identity and access management practices. Compliance with SOC2. Maintaining trust service principles with SOC2 focuses on security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy of a system. Some AWS tools and services to help you achieve this include AWS Config. This service monitors configurations of AWS resources, helping in auditing and security analysis. AWS CloudTrail. This is a powerful service that records account activity and API usage essential for SOC2 compliance reporting. From a strategic perspective, regularly reviewing access controls, conducting thorough security audits, and maintaining detailed logs of system activity. AWS Artifact for compliance management. AWS Artifact is a central resource for compliance-related information. It provides on-demand access to AWS's security and compliance documents, such as audit artifacts, compliance reports, and other necessary documentation. AWS Artifact simplifies the process of managing compliance by giving users immediate access to the documentation needed for regulatory standards. For example, users can download AWS's HIPAA BAA, Business Associate Addendum, SOC reports, or PCI DSS reports directly from Artifact. By leveraging these tools and adopting a comprehensive approach to security and compliance, AWS users can effectively navigate the complexities of GDPR, HIPAA, SOC2, and other regulatory requirements, thereby ensuring that their AWS environments meet the necessary standards and protocols. Up next, Topic 4, the impact of emerging technologies. If you like what you see and would like to learn more about who we are, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. In addition, you can also find us at silentsecurity.net. Now on to the next show.